Hey guys, Mark Kenyon here from Wired to Hunt, and I want to walk you through my early season whitetail kit. And I'm doing this because I get dozens, honestly maybe hundreds of emails over the course of a year asking me what First Lite clothing I wear at which part of the season. Why do I pick this piece? When should I wear this piece? Is this going to work in Michigan? Is this going to work in Wisconsin? There's so many different options out there. What I'd like to do, what I try to do in some of these emails, is just describe what I specifically like and in what situations those work. So that's what I want to do today. So first, early season. For me, that might be an October 1st hunt in Michigan. That might be a September 1st hunt in Montana or Idaho. Temperatures might range from mid-60s all the way up to the 90s. I need something that's going to handle that wide variety of temperatures, but of course thinking hot weather as the constant. So first, on top, I'm running the ArrowWool Wick hoodie. A couple things I like about this. Number one, ArrowWool naturally wicks moisture. So it's gonna keep you from being super sweaty and uncomfortable after that hot walk in from the truck all the way to the tree stand. It's also going to help manage your odor because wool, merino wool specifically, naturally resists bacteria. And bacteria is what's causing stink. So right here, you're gonna stay scent-free, you're gonna stay relatively dry, and it's also light. It keeps you covered, right? You're fully camouflaged, but you're gonna be light. There's a light merino wool on the entire fabric, but then there's also these mesh interior, I don't know if you call them interior gaskets or something like that, but I really like that. It gives me a little bit more breathability on this piece. Finally, I like the hoodie. Again, getting more coverage. If I throw this hoodie on and I pull up my neck gaiter, I can be almost 100% camouflaged, yet not super hot and uncomfortable. So this is a key piece for me anytime it's warm. As far as my pants, I'm gonna run the Obsidian pant. And just recently the Obsidian Foundry was released. So this is a mostly merino wool pant. That wool again thermoregulates. It's gonna keep you pretty cool even on warmer days. At the same time, it's also tough, naturally odor resistant. But what the Foundry added were these ripstop nylon panels, I think they call them. So there's some of that in the back. There's some of this near your boot. There's some of that in the crotch. That's gonna give you a little extra stretch, gonna give you some puncture resistance. I can imagine way too many times where I was trying to get over a barbed wire fence and I snagged a piece of fabric and busted out my crotch. This is gonna help you there. It's also got new pockets, this little flip top lid on your cargo pocket, also a zipper pull there, that's really nice. I believe this is a new suspender system as well if you're a suspender guy. I'm not, but for those of you that are, check that out. Again, it's keeping me cool, keeping me camouflaged, but it's tough enough for whatever kind of nasty stuff I'm walking through. A lot of those early season hunts for people with seasons opening in Nebraska or Wyoming or maybe Colorado. Nasty sagebrush, buffalo berry, all that stuff, thorny things. These are great for those hunts too. Finally, as a backup, imagine October 1st. I've had a number of hunts where I just love, you get out there for the first day of the early season, it's maybe mid-60s, but then as the sun starts to set, you get that cooler breeze coming through. And if you're just wearing the Wick hoodie, you're gonna feel that little chill. I don't wanna get chilled at the very end of the hunt when I need to be 100% focused. So for that, I'm gonna bust up my Klamath hoodie, which is a kind of a mid-piece, do-anything piece, but it works very well for just that little extra warmth at the end of the night. It's a micro-grid fleece, very comfortable. Again, it's got the hood, and you can stuff this down, geez, I don't know. You could almost stuff it into a Nalgene bottle, put it at the bottom of your pack, and you have it if you need it. I didn't show you, but I mentioned the neck gaiter. It's a really nice piece you can pull up over your face, keeps you cool. I'll wear a ball cap in the early season, and that's it for me. That is my early season whitetail kit.